Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Honda Rebel 1100. This is the dual clutch automatic transmission, ABS brakes, beautiful twin cylinder 1100, fuel injected, liquid cooled, shaft drive. Nope, make that chain drive. This is it. Gorgeous dark red metallic paint scheme, only 710 miles. Come on by, make your automatic cruiser dreams come true with this gorgeous Rebel 1100. Only $99.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Just put it in gear and take off. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.